Hey, everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have a culinary adventure in store for you as we explore the unknown facts of a beloved Lebanese dish, Riz bel Laban. It's a dish that combines the richness of rice and the creaminess of yogurt. But did you know there's more to this dish than meets the eye? Stick around as we uncover some intriguing facts about Riz bel Laban. To understand Riz bel Laban better, we need to dive into its history. This dish has deep roots in Lebanese cuisine, and it's known for its comforting and homely flavors. It has been a staple in Lebanese households for generations. Now, let's explore the core ingredients. Riz bel Laban is made from rice and yogurt, but the magic is in the details. The rice used is typically long-grain rice, which contributes to the dish's fluffy texture. The yogurt is a key ingredient that imparts creaminess and a delightful tanginess to the dish. But here's the twist: the yogurt used is usually strained yogurt, which is thicker and richer. The secret spice. One of the little-known secrets of Riz bel Laban is the use of a special spice called allspice. It's a blend of several spices, including cloves, cinnamon, and nutmeg, which adds a unique flavor to the dish. The balance of flavors in Riz bel Laban is truly an art. Regional variations. Just like any iconic dish, Riz bel Laban has regional variations. While the basic recipe remains the same, you might find subtle differences in ingredients or the way it's prepared in different parts of Lebanon. These regional twists make each serving a unique experience. Health benefits. Riz bel Laban not only tastes delicious but also offers health benefits. Yogurt, a primary ingredient, is packed with probiotics, which promote a healthy gut. The dish is also a great source of protein and calcium. It's not just a comfort food, it's a nutritious one too. Exploring cultural significance. Riz bel Laban isn't just a dish, it's a symbol of togetherness and celebration in Lebanese culture. It's commonly served during special occasions and family gatherings, creating a sense of unity and tradition. The act of sharing this meal with loved ones is a cherished tradition, making it more than just food. It's a cultural experience. Preparation techniques. The preparation of Riz bel Laban involves some unique techniques. One of them is the careful simmering of rice in yogurt. The gradual cooking process ensures that the rice absorbs the flavors of the yogurt, creating a harmonious blend of tastes that's both creamy and rich. The art of garnishing. The art of garnishing Riz bel Laban is an integral part of its appeal. Chopped fresh herbs, like mint and parsley, are sprinkled on top to add a refreshing contrast to the dish's richness. These vibrant greens not only enhance the visual appeal but also bring a burst of fresh flavors to each bite. Vegetarian and vegan options. For those with dietary restrictions, there's good news. You can enjoy the essence of Riz bel Laban in vegetarian and vegan variations. Instead of dairy yogurt, you can use plant-based yogurt to achieve a similar creamy texture. It's a fantastic option for those looking for a dairy-free alternative. Pairing and serving suggestions. Riz bel Laban is often served with a side of pickles, typically pickled cucumbers or turnips, to balance the flavors and add a zesty kick. Some also enjoy it with a sprinkle of sumac, a tangy spice that complements the dish beautifully. Anecdote about famous fans. Did you know that some famous personalities are fans of Riz bel Laban? We'd love to hear from you. Have you ever tried Riz bel Laban? Or maybe you have your own family twist on this classic recipe? Share your thoughts, experiences, and favorite variations in the comments below. We love connecting with our viewers and learning from your culinary adventures. And there you have it, the unknown facts of Lebanese Riz bel Laban. It's a dish that tells a story of tradition, flavor, and family. If you've never tried it before, I highly recommend giving it a shot. It's a culinary journey you won't forget. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting food adventures. As always, feel free to leave your thoughts and comments below. Have you tried Riz bel Laban, or do you have a favorite Lebanese dish? Let us know. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye.